10 Best Exhaust for Ram 2500 6.4 Hemi 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10, 2009 to 2019 Ram 1500 Hemi Dual Y-Pipe Exhaust. Ready to give your 2009 to 2019 Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7L dual exhaust models and 2019 Classic only the voice it truly deserves? Our heavy-duty T304 stainless steel dual Y-pipe exhaust is engineered for a perfect, direct fit upgrade, ensuring compatibility without guesswork. Say goodbye to factory restrictions and unleash that deep, mean, and aggressive Hemi roar you crave. This isn't just about sound. Our 3ID/2.25 OD pipes significantly increase exhaust flow and volume, letting your engine breathe better. Best of all, installation is a breeze. A simple bolt-on process means no cutting or welding required. Elevate your driving experience with a durable, performance-enhancing exhaust that truly stands out. Number 9. MagnaFlow Stainless Satin Performance Muffler. Transform your ride with a MagnaFlow Stainless Satin Performance Muffler. Its precisely engineered 5-inch by 11-inch oval body delivers the deep, resonating, signature MagnaFlow sound that turns heads. Extensive dyno testing confirms significant gains in engine power and performance, optimizing exhaust flow for real-world benefits. Inside, a straight-through perforated core with two-stage acoustic packing maintains exhaust velocity while crafting that smooth, powerful tone. Proudly made in the USA, its universal design allows tailored placement on virtually any vehicle. Drive with confidence, backed by MagnaFlow's limited lifetime construction warranty. This isn't just a muffler, it's a commitment to lasting performance and iconic sound. Number 8. Universal Aggressive Performance Exhaust Muffler. Unleash the true potential of your ride with the Universal Aggressive Performance Exhaust Muffler. Designed for versatility, it universally fits cars, trucks, and SUVs. Just measure and choose your size for a smooth installation, whether you prefer clamps or welding. This isn't just any muffler. It's engineered with fully welded 16-gauge aluminized steel and a protective silver coating. Its chambered structure ensures incredible durability, resisting corrosion, heat, and water for a professional finish and extended lifespan. Prepare for an exhilarating experience as our two-chamber tri-flow design, powered by advanced Delta Flow technology, produces a surging, aggressive deep sound. You'll love the rich acoustics, enhanced flow, and reduced radiated noise, delivering performance that truly resonates. Number 7. Universal Burnt Stainless Steel Muffler. Ready to transform your ride's presence? Our Universal Burnt Stainless Steel Muffler isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Experience that rich, deep tone thanks to premium, sound-absorbing cotton, carefully engineered for a powerful, reverberating growl that truly stands out. But it's not just about sound. The stunning burned blue tip offers a unique, artistic flair, ensuring your vehicle turns heads wherever you go. Crafted from sturdy, double-layered stainless steel, this muffler minimizes vibration and promises exceptional durability. Installation is a breeze, bolting on in minutes. With a 2.25-inch inlet, 3 exit, and 14.6 length, it's designed for universal fit. Just remember to measure your car's inlet for a perfect match. Elevate your exhaust game. Number 6. BD Diesel Pulse Manifold for 03-07 Dodge 5.9L. Ready to unleash the full potential of your 03-07 Dodge 5.9L Cummins? The BD Diesel Pulse Manifold is your ultimate upgrade. This isn't just a replacement for Cummins number 3967995. It's engineered for superior performance and longevity. Crafted from high silicon ductile iron, this manifold is built to withstand extreme temperatures and vibrations, ensuring reliability for years to come. Its fully divided pulse design is the secret weapon, drastically reducing back pressure for lightning-fast turbo spool-up and a significant boost in usable power. Plus, we've pre-drilled it for your pyrometer probe, making monitoring a breeze. Experience the difference a meticulously designed manifold makes. Improved responsiveness, increased power, and unwavering durability. Upgrade your truck's performance today. Number 5. Stainless steel straight-through diesel exhaust muffler. Looking to seriously upgrade your diesel's exhaust system? Our 4-inch stainless steel straight-through muffler is engineered for peak performance and lasting durability. Crafted from 100% welded stainless steel, this muffler offers lifelong protection against the elements, ensuring it's built to endure. Its intelligent straight-through design guarantees unrestricted exhaust flow, directly boosting exhaust velocity and significantly improving engine performance. What's more, our continuous roving fiberglass (CRF) technology expertly absorbs unwanted interior resonance, delivering a refined, powerful exhaust note free from drone. With a universal 4-inch inlet/outlet and a reversible design, integration into your setup is remarkably straightforward. Elevate your diesel's sound and power with unmatched quality. Number 4. MagnaFlow Performance Stainless Steel Muffler. Unleash the full potential of your ride with a MagnaFlow Performance stainless steel muffler. This isn't just a muffler. It's an engineering marvel designed to transform your driving experience. You'll instantly recognize the deep, resonating MagnaFlow sound, thanks to its signature 5-inch by 11-inch oval body and meticulously crafted internal architecture, featuring a straight-through perforated core and 2-stage acoustic packing. More than just a captivating tone, extensive dyno-proven testing guarantees a measurable increase in engine power and performance by optimizing exhaust gas flow. Proudly made in the USA, its universal fitment allows for flexible installation, while our limited lifetime construction warranty ensures worry-free, lasting performance. Get ready to feel and hear the MagnaFlow difference. Number 3. 5.7 L Hemi Rocker Arm Shaft Kit, 2003 to 2018. Is your 5.7 L Hemi making unusual clicking noises, feeling sluggish, or showing an engine light? Don't let worn rocker arm shafts steal your engine's power and performance. Our 5.7 L Hemi Rocker Arm Shaft Kit is your complete solution, meticulously engineered to restore your ride. Manufactured to OE specifications and factory inspected for unwavering durability, this assembly ensures a perfect, reliable fit across a vast range of Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep 5.7L models from 2003 to 2018. Featuring an improved shaft design for more even float, plus new bolts and hold downs, it directly tackles poor acceleration and abnormal noise. Prevent costly engine damage and ensure safety on the road. Upgrade with confidence, backed by our commitment to quality and first-rate customer support. Number 2. Flowmaster American Thunder Ram 2500 6.4 L Exhaust. Unleash the true spirit of your Ram 2500 6.4 L with the Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust system. Engineered to impress, this system features a robust stainless steel 50 Series HD performance muffler, delivering that iconic deep, aggressive rumble you crave. But it's not just about sound. Our dyno-tuned design and mandrel-bent stainless steel tubing maximize exhaust flow, ensuring every horsepower your Hemi produces is optimized for performance. Installation is a breeze. It perfectly utilizes factory hanger locations and even clears your spare tire, so there are zero compromises. Elevate your truck's presence and performance, all with that legendary American Thunder roar. Number 1. Borla S-Type Catback for Ram 2500/3500 V8. Ready to unleash the true voice of your Ram 2500/3500 V8? The Borla S-Type Catback system is your answer. Crafted from premium T304 stainless steel with robust, all-welded construction, this exhaust is built to last a lifetime, resisting corrosion and standing up to anything you throw at it. Installation is a breeze. A true bolt-on process means no fussing with welding, getting you back on the road faster. And because it's proudly made in USA, you're investing in top-tier quality and precision. Best of all, experience that aggressive, head-turning Borla growl without any irritating cabin drone, thanks to our legendary no drone guarantee. Upgrade your Ram's performance and sound today. So that sums up my 10 best exhausts for Ram 2500 6.4 Hemi. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.